In the name of sand and breathtaking views, looking forward for the most stunning, unique and the beauty of our oceans, where you will discover the meaning of the world paradise. Let's celebrate the natural wonder that remain and reveal what we must preserve to ensure people and nature thrive. Each organism that inhabit the ocean plays their role to sustain the cycle of life in efficient way. An example of ocean habitats is shallow tropical water. Consists of seagrass carpet that support a great variety of animal life. Seagrass absorb 35 times carbon dioxide as the same area of rainforest, and that can reduce the damage caused by the recent warming of our oceans. Mangroves, the guardian of the coast. These remarkable trees capture carbon dioxide and create safe nurseries for young fish, which will eventually leave the mangrove and make their home in the tropical sea. Coral reef, the land forest of the sea. Coral reef cover less than 1% of the sea floor, yet they are home to a quarter of all marine species. Coral creates the structure that provide food and shelter on which the entire community depends. But recently, pollution and overfishing has reduced the community, especially shark populations, which assist in maintaining the health of the reef by hunting the predator that feed on small grazing fish. But today, even healthy coral reefs are facing greater threat of climate change. Microscopic plants that live within the tissues of the corals will give them both their color and most of their nourishment. But if sea temperature rise, the coral will lose their main source of food and turn white, causing coral bleaching and eventually die. The carbon dioxide that causes global warming is also making the sea more acidic. No reef can survive both changes, and without living corals, many of the reef residents will also perish and the community will destroy. So how can we help them survive before it's too late? Here are 5 simple steps to save the ocean. 1. Reduce fossil fuel emission because it will lead to the widespread destruction of the ocean. 2. Use reusable shopping bags and choose plastic-free. The plastic bag can and will end up in our ocean, and they do break down into microplastic, releasing toxic additives into the environment. Many animals also confuse plastic bags for food. 3. Conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater will pollute our ocean. 4. Plant a tree because it helps reduce runoff into the ocean and acts as the natural filter. 5. Dispose rubbish properly. Any kind of litter will pollute the water and can harm the ocean communities. So, the possibility of change is in our hand now. This is a vivid reminder to help sustain both humanity and the rest of the natural world.